Introducing UAE Trade Connect, a state-of-the-art national platform for digitizing and securing trade. Banks offer various trade finance solutions to their clients under letters of credit or open account, using products and solutions like trust receipt financing, invoice discounting, factoring, receivable finance, and supply chain finance. The challenges that banks face is the risk of potential double financing and frauds, as there is no robust mechanism in place to validate the genuineness of the underlying trade transactions or whether the transaction has been pre-financed through any other bank. These risks have evolved, leaving the banks to grapple with severe financial crime risks like over and under invoicing, sanctions, trade-based money laundering, resulting in fraud losses to banks and reduced financing to corporates and SMEs. Etisalat and Avanza Innovations, in consultation with First Abu Dhabi Bank, have developed UAE Trade Connect version 1.0, which addresses issues with duplicate and fraudulent invoice financing. Etisalat is the leading information and communication services provider in the MENA region. Operating robust and secure infrastructure in 16 countries, Etisalat plays the role of a neutral provider of financial technology solutions, combining advanced technologies like blockchain or AI as a service, with proven operational platforms and skills that ensure continuity and security to the ecosystem. Avanza Innovations, region's leading blockchain and AI solution providers, has developed the solution through their proven expertise of these cutting-edge technologies and their 18+ years experience of servicing financial industries across multiple geographies. First Abu Dhabi Bank, the UAE's largest bank, based on their significant market knowledge and experience, helped build a test UTC version 1.0 with their subject matter expertise. UAE Trade Connect has been designed leveraging latest emerging and disruptive technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, deep learning, OCR, and bots. This industry-wide solution aims to check for duplicate and fraudulent invoices submitted by banks using the blockchain network. Here's how the solution works for any new financing request. Number 1. Bank A sends invoice information into the private permissioned blockchain network through their node. Number 2. This information is replicated into Etisalat node using smart contracts. Number 3. The invoice information is pushed into the fraud investigation engine hosted at Etisalat, which will perform duplicate and fraudulent invoice checks. Number 4. Based on the engine's checks, Bank A will be notified as follows. A. Pass. No issues identified. Or B. Fail. Major issues identified. Do not proceed. Or C. Inspect. Bank's further investigation is required. Number 5. Final action taken by bank in respect to financing of the invoice is stamped on the blockchain network. UAE Trade Connect converts physical data into digital data using OCR, bots, and distributed ledger technology. Manual controls currently adopted by banks will be performed by the solution using machine learning technology. The solution will be hosted by Etisalat, and the information shared on the blockchain network will reside in Etisalat's cloud servers in UAE. Banks' confidential information will remain protected throughout the solution, as their data will not be shared with any other bank in the chain. UAE Trade Connect benefits both banks and also their clients. It renews confidence of banks to finance corporates and SMEs. Reduced fraudulent trade saves bank from financial losses. Banks can operate and exchange information in a trusted marketplace. We welcome banks to be part of this new ecosystem aimed at digitizing open account and documentary trade. UAE Trade Connect, a platform developed by banks for banks.